The Economics Department offers a variety of graduate level programs, including 3 graduate certificates, a master's degree, and a doctoral program. All of these programs can be completed using our flexible online format.
Our students can start with a graduate certificate program, and when students start one of those certificates, it gives them a pathway into our master's program. Another possibility is for a student in our master's program to progress into the PhD program.
We designed our set of programs to be really flexible, so one path that sometimes students take through it is take a class or two, enroll in a certificate program. Then once they've completed a certificate, they're fairly well on the way to a master's degree. And so some students might choose to stop there or pause for a while. Some students may transition straight into our master's program.
The certificate programs and the MA program, and actually the PhD program as well, are all fully online. And for the certificate and the MA programs, you're drawing from a common pool of courses. So as you complete certificates, you'll be completing courses towards an MA degree. Then moving from the MA to the PhD program, the MA will give you a solid foundation for completing the PhD coursework.
When I first entered the program, I was riding a fire truck. I was a captain in the fire department, and I could see that kind of the end of my career was coming. And so I really entered the program to prepare for a way to move into something different. What it has allowed me to do is to lateral to another position at a higher rate of pay and a future that is not bound by what my body can suffer, as riding a fire truck. I recommend this program to anybody out there who's looking for that next step to improve their career.
To learn more about our economics graduate programs, you can visit economics.uncg.edu